MKG Online Study, an e-learning platform. In this video, we are going to learn classification of computer architecture. This classification is based on the type, whether the architecture is having instruction set or hardware components. There are two types: instruction set architecture, hardware system architecture. Let us discuss these two one by one. Instruction set architecture. Instruction set architecture is the interface between the hardware and the lowest level software. Basically, in instruction set, it is how machine language interact with the computer. ISA encompasses all the information necessary for programmers to write a machine language that will run correctly, including instruction, register, memory access, I/O devices, etc. ISA allow computer designer to talk about functions independently from the hardware that performs them. Instruction set architecture design. Designing an ISA is hard because in this, designer should know how many operations are there, what type of storage is required, with how much capacity, how to encode instruction, how to future-proof, how to decide, take a quantitative approach. So, in ISA, a designer should know each and everything, how that particular machine language or a program or instruction will be interacting with the computer, not with the implementation or hardware part. Next is hardware system architecture. This will based on what structure is to be implemented and what type of hardware or hardware component are required. For example, if we want to design a half adder, then that particular half adder required XOR gate and AND gate. If we want to design a full adder, then that full adder required two half adder, or we can say two XOR gate, two AND gate and one OR gate. So this is how hardware system architecture works. This is an example where a hardware system is created with a Raspberry Pi, which is having input from camera and power supply, and it is giving an output signal to a GPU, to motors and wheelchair, which is having IR sensor. So this is the classification based on instruction set and hardware components. Thank you for watching this video.